Alright guys, so today we'll be switching out the taillights to some JDM housings. Here's the JDM. So the only difference is that just the turn signal bulb is clear versus amber. And you can see why these ones are full of water. This big crack on the top here. Same thing for this side. And at the same time, we're going to be changing our brake light bulbs and the reverse light bulbs to LED. And the reverse light bulbs are these ones. They are 1156 bulbs. So these ones are from MTech. So MTech is a Polish company, and they use Osram LEDs in their bulbs. And they have a nice lens on the top to really project the light out. And the brake lights are 1157s, which I ordered from this company off Amazon called Jik, I think it's called. And there's the bulb there. So to replace these housings is very simple. Just open it up here. So you see in the top here, you have to take off this little cover here, and there's a 10mm bolt inside. And same thing underneath here. There's another 10mm bolt right there. And then if I just show you on the back of the tail light, you'll see them both here. That's where they are, just those two bolts you take off, and those pop right out. For the bulbs in the middle, this is the rear window and the bottom of the hatch. These little covers open, and then you got access to both bulbs right here, and they just twist out. So let's go ahead and then get these installed and see how much brighter they are. So these bulbs are just like the factory ones. They're just got to push them in and twist. And one thing, because LED bulbs are polarity sensitive, you do have to. They will only work one way. So you can turn the lights on and put these on and see if they light up. Oh yeah, the JDMs do have you can see in here, there's a screw here, and then on the bottom here, oops, camera's here, just to take these little side covers off, because the bulb's going sideways on the JDM lights. Okay, should have did a bit more research, but looks like you have to use the harness from the JDM taillights, and they'll plug right into the North American harness. Now this generation of Subaru is still quite foreign to me. Just give me a second, I'll show you. So I unplug the factory harness right here and just pull out of the wiring here, and then plug the JDM one in. Oh yeah, you have to keep an amber bulb too, so you have an amber turn signal in the clear housing. One more quick correction, it's 8mm bolts, not 10mm. So there we have one in. Looks really nice. And here is the still the halogen. You can see just the difference in brightness, and I don't know if it's hard to see on the camera, but the like the red is a lot more like a vivid red. Looks really nice. But so let's start on changing out the middle ones now, and this side, and then we'll do a test when it gets dark out to see how much brighter they are. Got one reverse light in. I just want to show you the difference. It's like big difference in color and in brightness. I'll use my lux meter at night and we'll get a good reading on it to see actually how much brighter it is.